I just got my Ipsy bag in the mail, and I apologize if my hair is all over the place. We just got home from the mall and shopping all day, so I do look a little bit like crap, but sorry about that. Anyways, I checked my mail and I got my Ipsy bag, and I know a lot of people have requested for me to show what's inside my Ipsy bag. And if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription of different beauty products that they send you for $10 a month, which is amazing. So I've been subscribed to them, I believe, for over a year now, and they've really improved on the products that they send. So as far as the other box that I was subscribed to, which was the Sample Society, I unsubscribed to that because I felt like they were just sending too small of samples for, it was like $12 a month, and this was surpassing it by a whole bunch. So yeah, the quality that's usually in here is really great, and the samples I was getting in the other one were just little tiny samples of very expensive products, and I thought, well, it's cool that I get to try a very expensive product, but at the same point, like, it's kind of not a lot for me to try. It's like maybe a one-time thing, and maybe it's not even enough to cover my entire face with, so I don't know. So I just decided just to stick with Ipsy, and I know in that last video a lot of people said, show us your Ipsy bag, so here I also wanted to mention that I have seen a lot of different people posting, like on Instagram, I've caught glimpses. I usually try to stay away from watching Ipsy bag openings because I want to be surprised when it comes to mine, but I've seen different things in this bag, so I really don't know what to expect, so we're going to open it right now. I love their packaging, by the way. I love this pink bubble wrapped bag because it just makes me excited to get my mail every month. Let's see. Ooh, this one's like really together, so I need to pull this apart. Give me one sec. Ooh, okay, so the first thing I see here is my leopard bag. It's a leopard print bag with a neon yellow zipper, which is really cute. This will be great to pack like little items in for summertime. And then of course you have the card, and the theme for this month is on the wild side. And so that's probably why we got some leopard going on here. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, so the first thing I have is a NYX blush, and this is in the color Angel. I've never actually purchased any NYX blushes. I'm not somebody who purchases blushes a lot. I just kind of have what I have, and if I go through it, that's cool. I'm more of like an eyeshadow lipstick person, so this is really exciting for me to be able to try this. And this looks like a peachy pink color. It looks like it's going to work really well for my skin tone. Ooh, and these are really soft. Yeah, this is definitely a peachy color. And it doesn't really have a sheen to it, but I don't know if you guys can see the swatch in my hand. But yeah, this is a really nice color. They're really soft. I'm going to look forward to using this for sure. They're a bit powdery, but overall it seems like this is going to be a great product to use. And I always see people talking about NYX blushes on YouTube, so excited about this. The next thing I see here is a J Cat Sparkling Cream Palette. And this has like different, I don't even know how to get this open. Different bronzy and gold type of, I guess, obviously cream eyeshadows. I'm not really sure how I would use this because I think NYX had something like this, and when you rub off the top, the glitter's all gone. So I'm not sure if the glitter will be throughout the eyeshadow or if it's just on the top, and I don't know. I hate also when cream eyeshadows are, you know, like they're not crease proof like the Maybelline ones. So I'm not really sure if this would be put to use or not, like for me, but somebody else may like this. I don't know, so we'll see. I'll have to open it and check it out, but there's this. Okay, we also have some J Cat eyelashes and eyelash glue, and mine are in EL66, and these actually look really nice and full. I love these kind of lashes that flare out at the ends, and that's what this has, so I will definitely be using these. These look really nice. Okay, yeah, so these look really nice and full. I'm excited to try these out. I've never actually heard of that brand either, J Cat. I'm going to have to look that up. We have a lip pencil in here, and this is from Starlooks, and mine's in the color Tipsy K337. This looks like kind of like a peachy, pinky color again. Okay, yeah, this is definitely kind of like an orangey, salmony color. It looks really pretty for summertime. Let's see. Oh yeah, it doesn't feel as creamy as I would like, but it definitely has a really nice color payoff. This is definitely a color that I would wear, so I'm glad that I got this. Okay, then we have Caitlin Line Fix Gel Eyeliner. This is water resistant, smudge proof, and 24-hour wearing, safe for sensitive eyes, and it has a built-in brush. And it says, try not to blink while the gel dries completely after. Enjoy the worry-free 24-hour wearing. Remember to clean the brush after each use with a dab of makeup remover or any soap and water. Okay, let's see. This is kind of like a little pyramid packaging. I hadn't seen this in any of the bags that I have seen. I got the color purple. So, oh, okay. So the brush is up here on the top of the packaging right here. And Ooh, okay. That's kind of like a lot of packaging just for a little liner like this. So this is a purple liner. And then, like, this is like a whole big chunk of plastic that's going to take up a lot of space on your vanity. So let me see. It looks pretty creamy. It looks a little... I don't know. It's alright. I mean, I don't know if this is going to be like my favorite purple eyeliner. I have a Physicians Formula one that I really, really like. But this, I may be able to incorporate this into some looks. So I'll be able to try this out. I've never heard of this brand either. Kaylin. I thought it would say Caitlin. At first it says Kaylin. But, yeah, so that was what was in my Ipsy bag. To kind of go over that again, we had the Kaylin Gel Eyeliner. I had the Starlooks Tipsy Lip Liner. I had the J-Cat eyelashes with the eyelash glue. I had the J-Cat Sparkling Cream Palette. And then I also had a NYX blush. So this was a really good bag because this came with 5 full-size products. Also, I'm curious to know if you guys know the answer to this, let me know. But I have seen a lot of people getting bonus products, and I really don't know how they get that. Like this month, I've seen people with Bobble Bar bracelets, and last month a lot of people got Urban Decay Moon Dust shadows, and I'm kind of like, hey man, like I've been like a loyal subscriber to Ipsy since I think like 1 month after they started their business, and I'm like, I want a moon dust shadow like everybody else. But I've seen like a lot of people getting these bonus products, and I haven't gotten anything. So not that I'm ungrateful, because I'm really excited that I got 5 full-size products, but I'm just wondering how to get in on the extra, you know? So if you guys know, let me know. Okay, now they're personalizing our bags just for us by using Ipsy Match. So we've retaken the quiz, and so now they're sending stuff that it seems like we would enjoy. So that's why the bags are different now. So that makes more sense, and I guess I kind of like that. So alright guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.